What's new in FloorPlan 2026? In this demonstration, I opened an existing house project in the application and then launched the Home Design Copilot. Next, I entered a text prompt describing the modern style I wanted for the home. The Copilot analyzed the existing design and generated a modern version, while maintaining the original layout. Within a few moments, the house was transformed with contemporary materials, updated finishes, and a clean, elegant appearance, demonstrating how AI can quickly turn simple text prompts into realistic modern home designs. Now, I opened an existing house project and focused on enhancing the outdoor living area using the Home Design Copilot. I entered a text prompt describing the modern outdoor space I wanted to create. The Copilot analyzed the existing design and transformed the area while preserving the original layout. It generated a stylish outdoor seating space with modern furniture, updated landscaping, elegant lighting, and premium finishes, creating a more inviting and functional environment with just a simple text prompt. Now, my main focus is on living room, so I opened an existing house project and focused specifically on redesigning the living room using the Home Design Copilot. I entered a text prompt describing the modern style and atmosphere I wanted to achieve. The Copilot analyzed the existing living room and generated a redesigned version while preserving the original layout. It transformed the space with contemporary furniture, refined materials, updated lighting, elegant decor, and a cohesive modern aesthetic, demonstrating how a simple text prompt can quickly create a stylish and realistic living room design. Now, I opened an existing house project and focused on redesigning the kitchen using the Home Design Copilot. I entered a text prompt describing the modern kitchen style I wanted. The Copilot analyzed the existing space and transformed it with contemporary cabinetry, premium countertops, modern lighting, and updated finishes while maintaining the original layout, creating a functional and visually appealing kitchen in just a few moments. Now, I am focusing on a bathroom, so I opened an existing house project and focused on redesigning the bathroom using the Home Design Copilot. I entered a text prompt describing the modern bathroom style I wanted. The Copilot analyzed the existing space and transformed it while preserving the original layout. The updated design features modern fixtures, elegant tiles, improved lighting, and premium finishes, creating a clean and stylish bathroom in just a few moments. Now I'm focusing on a home garden bed. So I opened an existing house project and selected the garden bed using the Home Design Copilot. I entered a text prompt describing the landscape style I wanted. The Copilot transformed the space with colorful plants, decorative edging, and modern landscaping elements, creating a more attractive and welcoming outdoor area in just a few moments. Thanks for watching.